Hi everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. I wanted to come back and show you how to put together these adorable 3D star. I guess you would call them a bag or a box or something, but they came in. This particular project came in with the Giftery Mystery Box. Giftery Mystery Box that went on sale on Friday. And I wanted to show you how to put them together. It's really simple, but it does require a little bit of, thought when you're putting them together. Before I go into putting one together, I wanted to just talk a little bit about scoring, because that's what this is about. This is a 2-page or 2 pieces of paper project, and so in this case I did use glitter in this particular one, but you can use just Christmas paper or perhaps something like this. This is a mercury glass type of a finish for the paper. But if you're going to use glitter paper, which is what I did here, you do really, glitter paper, you really do need, you can use a scoring stylus from your Explorer, but if you're going to do glitter paper and you don't want to get frustrated, and if you have a maker, it's best to use the scoring wheel, because I just want to get up real close so you can see this, because the scoring wheel allows you to to score glitter without it cracking. A lot of times if you use your own, if you either score it yourself or you use the scoring stylus, you notice a lot of cracking of the paper, and that just doesn't look good. It's hard to overcome. You can ink it, but to be honest, I've never had much luck with that. So if you are planning on doing the glitter, you might want to make sure that you're using that scoring wheel. A scoring stylus will work, as well as like a bone folder will work too, but scoring stylus just produces better results. Anyway, so this is it's basically 2 pieces, and I've gone ahead and scored them and made sure that I, fold all of those scoring places over. I want to show you how this goes together. It's pretty simple. It's 3D, so when you're thinking about it, you have to think in 3D. And that's where I got a little messed up when I first started doing it. Let's see. So the first thing that I did was I made the bottom of the box. That's with the bigger of the 2 pieces. You do it by folding these tabs on the bottom up into the bottom of the 2 stars. It's the bottom 2 points of the stars. And then you're going to turn it around and glue this portion. See that? You're going to glue this together. And that creates the bottom of it. To show you in all different sides. So see, that creates the bottom of it. And clearly, you will do it with much more care and precision than I am, because I'm just doing this as a quick way to show you how to put it together. So, and then the second piece, so this is what your first piece ends up looking like on the inside, right? And on the outside. And now we've got to line up the points here from the second piece. Again, folded, scored at all of the edges. And be careful when you're putting it on, because if it's possible you could try to do it this way. I know I tried to do it that way a couple of times, didn't really make a whole lot of sense to me when I was doing it. So this is what you're going to do. It's going to be glued onto these tabs. You see, everywhere there is going to be something glued, there's a tab that's going to hide your glue, and it's going to give the box some structure. So let's put some glue on all 4 of these tabs, and we're going to lay, I do it all at once, might as well, you know, we just lay it on top here so that all of those tabs are lined up. Here we go. You might have to put your hand inside of the box to make sure that the tab is lined up. And then you've got to do the inside, right? So you did the bottom inside, or the side, I should say, the side. But you've got to make sure that the top of the star, I hope I'm explaining this right, but the top of the star is affixed to the bottom portion, and that there's a tab there for you. Tabs are great. They are like guides. So there's our tab on the, I don't know how you'd say it, on the inside of these, between these 2 points. And I attach them and just hold them. Depending on the glue that you're using, I always use this art glitter glue that I purchase from, where do I get it? Create for Less. I like this glue. It's really nice. It does have this precision tip, which is not on here right now, but it does have a precision tip that really is great for doing layered cards, that like Anna Griffin layered cards that are so intricate. I love the precision tip for that. So, and then, all right, so I did one side of the star, and the tab is folded into it towards the right side. See, because again, this is 3D. So here we go. The tab is folded towards the right side and glued on the back. Right? And then the absolute last tab we have to do. Hold it. Now, right, you guys, you know that I kind of rush through these just because I don't want you to have to sit watching me glue things for ages on end. So you're going to be a lot more careful about making sure all the inside tabs are affixed correctly. But that is basically it. And when you think about it, so there's a front star and there is the back star, and then you've got to, the thing that's a little confusing when you're first doing it is you have to make sure that you've got the sides done on 3 sides. Obviously, you know, not on the top, because you're going to use that to put whatever you're going to put in there. And I think I mentioned in a previous video, I think this would look really good with a little bit of foam, like the green florist foam, because it's softer. And some of those sprays that you can buy, you can usually buy them for like $1. You could pick out whatever, depending on what color you're making this, or what kind of, if you're going to do the glitter, or you're going to look at this mercury glass, which I really love. I mean, you might pick more green and red for that, or for this, maybe you'd pick a lot of white or something. This would look really good with some green in it. So it's up to you, obviously. Every time when you're doing these projects, that's what makes it yours, is by what you choose to make it with and fill it with, right? So that is the 3D star bag, and it is from the Giftery Mystery Box, which was released. It's a digital file. It's $29.99. It includes this project and literally dozens more, including this really cute gift bag that we made in the, I don't know, the other day, and also these wonderful pop-up cards that I changed to a print and cut, and also this, and there's actually one whole grouping that I did. Let me grab this here, little coffee mug. I think it would look really cute with hot chocolate packets in there and stuff. But there's a whole grouping in that mystery box for candy bar wraps, and it's not just for Christmas or for the holiday, for the winter holidays. It's also all through the year, and there's quite a few of them in there. So might come back after I go out and buy some candy bars. I come back and show you that as well. But so that is the star. So cute. The star, the 3D star bag. Personally, I think it looks great as sort of more as a vase or something, or a table centerpiece. That's that. Thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Rita. This is my channel, Miss Rita to the Rescue. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, so you'll make sure you'll get all of my videos once they're published. I'm also on Facebook at Miss Rita to the Rescue, and you're welcome to like and follow me there. And I'll be back later on today to announce the winners of my favorite things giveaway. I'm so excited about this. I'll be back live on Facebook with that announcement. So do stay tuned. Have a great afternoon.